Hello, everyone. Today, we'll walk you through the process of creating a recovery database and restoring mailboxes using that database. We will cover everything from performing backups to the actual restoration process. Plus, we'll show you how Stellar Repair for Exchange can simplify the database recovery process. Let's dive in. Here we have a fully functional mailbox with all of its emails intact, and this will be our test case for the recovery process. Let's start by creating a backup of our Exchange server data. For this, we'll use the Windows Server Backup tool to back up the EDB and log database files. Let's get started. First, click on Backup once to begin. The backup wizard will appear. Here, choose the custom option. Next, specify the source of the backup. Since our databases are located on the F drive, we'll select that. Then choose the G drive as the backup destination. Once we select the destination, click Next and then hit Backup. The backup will take a few minutes depending on the size of the data. Now that the backup is complete, let's close the wizard and check the G drive. As you can see, the backup file is successfully saved here. Next, let's delete all the emails from this mailbox. We will delete all emails from the Inbox, Deleted Items, and Recoverable Items folder. Let us quickly verify that there are no emails left in the mailbox. Looks good. It's completely empty now. Now let's recover the EDB and log database files from the backup we created earlier. This will restore the mailbox to the state it was in at the time of the backup. Click on Recover, and from the wizard, select the date from which to restore the files. Let's choose the files and folders we need, and then select G drive as the recovery location. Now create a folder named RDB for the EDB file and proceed. The recovery process will take a few minutes based on the size of the files. Once recovery is complete, let's head over to the G drive to verify that the EDB file is there. Looks good. It's recovered. Now we'll repeat the process for the log database files. Next, create a folder named RDB logs and begin the recovery process. Now both EDB and log files are recovered. Let's check the state of the database, whether the database is in a clean or dirty shutdown state. Enter the command now, and as expected, the database is in a dirty shutdown state, so we'll need to repair it. Let's begin with a soft repair of the database. We run the sudo command now. Unfortunately, this didn't work, so we will need to move on to hard repair option. Keep in mind, a hard repair can lead to some data loss, so it's used as a last resort. Let's run the process. After the repair is complete, check the database state again. And now, database is in a clean shutdown state, ready for the next step. It's time to create a recovery database, RDB. Let's run the necessary command in the Exchange Management Shell to do this. Once the RDB is created, mount it, making the recovered EDB accessible for the next phase of recovery. To verify the contents of the RDB, first list the mailboxes using a PowerShell command. From here, we can locate Mr. Abir's mailbox. Next, we'll restore Abir's mailbox from the recovered database to the original mailbox database. The restore will be queued and we can track its progress through the command. And just like that, the restore is complete. Let's log into Abir's mailbox and check if everything is back to normal. As you can see, all the deleted emails are now restored in the Restored Mails folder. Everything is successfully recovered. Manually recovering mailboxes like this can be time-consuming and requires in-depth technical knowledge, especially when dealing with complex PowerShell commands and the risk of data loss. But here's a much simpler and faster solution: Stellar Repair for Exchange. With Stellar Repair for Exchange, the entire recovery process becomes much easier. You no longer need to worry about complex commands or potential data loss. First, download and install Stellar Repair for Exchange from their official website. The installation is quick and easy. Once the program is installed, let's open it up. We'll select the EDB file and click Next. We'll go with the Quick Scan option for faster results. The tool will quickly load all the mailboxes in a tree-like structure. Now let's navigate to Abir's mailbox. We can preview all the emails, attachments, and other mailbox contents to ensure everything is intact. Looks perfect. To restore Abir's mailbox, we simply export it back to the Exchange server. Just provide the server details, email ID, and password, and click OK. It won't take long at all. If you need to recover multiple mailboxes, whether they are corrupted or deleted, you can use the Save button under the Home tab to restore them all at once. Now you can see data exported successfully. And just like that, Abir's mailbox is restored, no hassle, no stress. With Stellar Repair for Exchange, database recovery is fast, efficient, and most importantly, safe. It simplifies what would otherwise be a complex and risky process, especially in critical situations. Thanks for watching.